to everyone on my channel. I'm glad to make this tutorial for you again. In this video I'll show you how to make a gentle bracelet with branches from beads, wire and acrylic leaves. On my channel you will find other bracelet tutorials in a similar technique. I also want to make you happy, and in the following videos you will learn how to make earrings and a necklace from the same materials. To not miss them, click on the bell below and subscribe to the Dildo Workshop. I want to ask you to visit my online store. You can order hair wines, hair combs and other accessories from all my video tutorials. You will see the link on the screen and in the description. We will send your order to any country via express or regular mail service. If you will order accessories in my online store, you will support my channel and help me to make new videos. Don't miss our regular discounts and purchase handmade jewelry today. I already added this bracelet to my online store on Etsy.com. Order it until it's gone. You will find the link in the description. It's all for today. Write me your feedback below, put a thumbs up and don't miss the new videos.